see it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
We have the finished pesto. Look at this big batch of pesto. Now, you may have noticed I put a few cloves of garlic in this pesto, and that's because I tripled the batch. So always use the amount that you want to use. And some tips for keeping this a really bright green color. You can do a couple of things. In addition to the basil, you can sub in some spinach leaves. That will help, or Italian or curly parsley. That will keep more vibrancy to the pesto, because as you know, basil's a little temperamental and it will discolor easily, but the flavor is amazing. It smells so divine, and I always like to add extra lemon zest and lemon juice, so give it a try. Hey, it's not just for pasta. Try it on your pizza. Try it on baked potatoes, sweet potatoes, with your grilled vegetables in a wrap. So many things. Go enjoy this nut-free, oil-free pesto.